Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little montage that I just did. I'm just going to be... Really, this video is just about explaining what this channel is going to be. I mean, obviously I'm going to still keep gaming, but you can see I've got a Mark 7.5 PS to myself here. So basically, I'm going to be doing maintenance, car cleaning, you name it, everything on the channel. I'm going to be keeping car in check, obviously oil changes, cleaning like I just said. But I haven't got a computer for gaming, so we're going to be a car channel for a bit, I think. But hope you enjoyed that montage anyway. I don't want to keep this video, because it's kind of an introduction video, I don't want to keep it like going to be as long as possible. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that montage, guys. Don't forget to slap a like on the video. Please subscribe. I know it's my first video, it'd be crap. But yeah, anyway. Cheers for watching and peace out.